but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
So this is the brand new INIU 25,000 milliamp power bank, which you can grab on Amazon. It's one of the best selling power banks you can get on Amazon right now, and it is pretty damn good. Now, as you can see, we have the nice matte finish. We've got the glossy LED display. Once we press the power button, you can see the percentage of your battery, which is quite nice, especially if you're charging something in the dark. And on the top here, we have all the different ports. So we have the 100-watt USB-C charger, which is great for laptops. You've also got the 45-watt USB-C charger, which you can also use for maybe tablets and for the Steam Deck OLED, which is what I've been using it for. We've got the 18-watt USB-A port as well, which you can also use for maybe older devices and such. So really good stuff. And let me tell you guys, this is a solid power bank. I've been using it to actually charge my Steam Deck, and it's part of the reason why I decided to actually do a quick review on this product, because you know what, I am someone that I travel a lot and I always bring my Steam Deck with me a lot as well. And you know, if you're playing one of the more demanding games, the Steam Deck's battery is good, but if you're playing those demanding games, the battery will actually run out really quickly. So this is the reason why this power bank is actually really good, and I wouldn't be able to do this video without INIU. So thank you guys for sending this over for a quick review. Now, as you saw, it does come with a nice long USB-C cable, which we can then, for at least for me, I plug it into the 45-watt input. And to be honest, if you want something that's even faster, you can even just plug it into the 100-watt USB-C input as well. Okay, and then once we do that, we can then plug it directly into our Steam Deck. All right, and now my power bank is just at the bottom here, so I'm just going to put it on the table at the top here. But to be honest, what I can show you is the battery. Okay, this is flipping sick. I love a good LED display. All right, and to be able to see my power through an LED display with numbers, I think that's actually really good. As you can see, it just went down because it is charging my Steam Deck right now. Currently, I'm playing Guardians of the Galaxy, so this is actually really perfect for me. And I tend to bring my Steam Deck with me to work as well, so being able to continue my gaming on the go is always a great thing. Okay, so you can play as normal with it plugged in. It is charging, as you can see right there. Really good stuff. And as you can see, the amount of hours that I have left, it is rapidly going up, which is also a great thing to see. So guys, this is the INIU power bank. Honestly, such a great product, and I'm not someone that likes to recommend products that I don't use myself. So yeah, if you're interested in picking this up, you can check it out in the link below in my description. It's really good, and yeah, I can't really recommend it enough. So yeah, Guardians of the Galaxy INIU power bank, 25,000 milliamps. You can't go wrong with that. I hope you liked this video, and let me know if you do end up picking one up. You can also go for a smaller one as well if you wanted to, but I really wanted to go for the large one just because I game a lot, as you probably already know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take it easy, and peace.